Hello wizards and fellow wizards, and welcome back to a new video. And so today, finally, my Geek box has arrived for the month of July. Now, I'm very thrilled to open it up and see what's inside. Now remember, in the previous video for the month of June, the hint was birthday surprise. So, let's open it up. I'm very curious and thrilled what we have inside. Alright, first you can see it's a t-shirt. Go. Alright, pretty awesome. The stack from Harry, then his father, and I think actually above that is another. But very cool. Just ignore that. So next thing is, or is this inside a bit of unicorn? Don't know what that is. Alright, this is very strange. What is this? A necklace? With a cork? Alright, this is very odd. I don't know what it is. Alright, we got a big lollipop. Empty magical treat. Okay. There's a lot of ingredients: sugar, clove, syrup, water, metallic, added flavoring, candy, floss. That's a big lollipop. That's actually a very strange box this time. We got Geeky scratch card, as always. Next, we have tea, Wolfsbane tea. This must look like, yes, mints. It says here, Moroccan mint. Alright, next I can see is this little thingy here. See if I can open it up without damaging. 1 second. This will do. No damaging the seal. There we go. A massive thank you from all Geek here for subscribing to the Geek Wizardry box. You are an exclusive stack t-shirt, licensed and exclusive until the very end. A full print, licensed and exclusive proclamation poster number 88. Exclusive which is cork. Alright, that's very odd. Exclusive wheaty lollipop and the monthly Wolfsbane tea. Alright, we still got one thing. Okay, that's pretty cool. It's a birthday cake from Harry. It says happy birthday, and it's actually some kind of a small tart box or cake box. Very cool made actually, really love it. Then we have another poster. Let's see again. See if I can pop it out. There we go. Well, this is actually the current post that Drake Malfoy and his gang joined to discover the room of requirement in the old Phoenix. And this is always stuck at the bottom. Very cool actually. It says until the very end. Very beautiful craft design again. Very cool. Was that it? Apparently, that's it. No card for who packed the box. Oh, that's pretty. So then again, this was a Geek box of the month of July. Now next month, in the month of September, because we're in August already, I'm going to do little cosplays about characters from Fantastic Beasts and even Harry Potter. Now then again, stay in touch and you will see as which I will dress like in the next video. Then I am Martin, thank you for watching, and don't forget, let us walk amongst the muggles.